Listen.
Let me sign that shit, man. I don't even want to speak, bro. Okay. You just had a gun out on me. But I don't even want to speak, bro. You could have just took my life. What's wrong with you? Where that shit at?
Don't speak.
Y'all supposed to be pulling over a Charger with a gun in it. Y'all just pulled over a Charger without a gun in it. Okay. I don't understand. Hey, how you doing your job?
Where'd you come from?
Where did I come from? Yeah. I just came from getting my glasses.
Where?
Right down the street by Kmart.
Can you stop yelling?
What the f?
Everybody yelling at you? Is
man,
like
look, y'all just had guns out on me.
Okay.
How about that?
Okay.
That's more than yelling. That's more disrespectful than you spitting in my face right now.
Back up. Get away from my car. Get away from my police cars. Get him out.
Get him all the way out of here. I'm good. Just let me sign that, man. Just go ahead and search my car. Y'all not. I have nothing to hide. Y'all, I'm good.
Okay, and listen,
well, let me get that.
I understand that, but let me. I'm just trying.
I'm mad right now. You can't talk to somebody who's mad.
You think we stopped you for no reason?
Yes.
You do?
Y'all about to find out that y'all stopped me for no reason.
Maybe.
Y'all about to find that out.
Somebody gave us that information.
Ain't nobody.
We didn't pull you over for no
reason. How many fucking charges is there around here? It's a lot.
I don't know, but you came right.
Somebody out there with a gun right now when they charge you.
Where'd you come from?
And it ain't me.
Where did you come from?
I just came from the eyeglass spot.
And where?
It's called Accent. Whatever the fuck, Accent Glasses, right by Kmart, right by LA Fitness.
Okay.
Right by Checkers,
okay.
all that.
All right, so that's...
And before that, I was in class.
All right, so when you came out to your car, did somebody...
Hell no.
Did you point something at somebody in your car?
Go check. Go see.
I'm not saying you had a gun, bro.
I have a right to remain silent. Give me my paperwork.
You do.
Give me my paperwork.
We're getting it for
you. Give me my paperwork, bro.
I'm asking you, did you point
my
something
paperwork
jokingly
at, bro?
at the
I don't care, bro.
Where
my paperwork at?
It's coming.
I don't care, bro.
Did you point something
at
somebody?
No, you sound dumb. Let me get my paperwork so you can check, and you'll find out yourself if I did that or not. I'm not telling you, bro.
I'm asking you.
I don't cooperate,
bro.
I'm not cooperating with you, bro.
Somebody mistaken.
Obviously, somebody mistakenly just got a guns pulled out on me.
Okay.
And I'm a student here.
Okay.
I pay all that money for y'all to pull out guns on me.
Nah, you don't pay money for me.
Man, my taxes don't go to your pockets.
No.
Come on, bro.
No.
Come on, bro. Where the f these papers at?
We're getting to it.
Hurry the f up, bro. Y'all got me in here on some bullshit, wasting my day, making me look crazy in front of all my peers. I don't even give a f, bro. Let me sign that paper. Y'all gonna go check my car. We good.
Okay. Could somebody have mistaken you something when you came out of the glass store? Did you point something at your car that maybe somebody mistook to be a gun?
What?
Did you point?
Go check for a gun, bro. Go check for a gun, bro. You talking about a gun? Go check for a gun, bro.
I'm asking you, did you something that maybe
man, I ain't point shit at nobody that needed to be pointed at anybody,
some kind of
bro.
Understanding? Maybe there's some kind of misunderstanding.
I need my paperwork so I can sign that. Why they checking my car without me signing? See, look, that's that bullshit y'all be on, bro.
They can look.
Go ahead, check my car.
We're gonna get you to sign. Just relax,
bro.
He's getting the VIN off your car. That's all he's doing.
You need to hurry up, bro.
Okay.
Alright, I'm just gonna read
y'all was happy as hell with them guns too.
Alright.
Another Black Life Today. Man, I don't care about none of that. Let me sign that, bro.
I have to read this to you.
No, I don't want to hear it, bro. Let me sign that.
Who are enforcement officers and members of the Glassboro Police Department to conduct a complete of my vehicle, more specifically described below as a black Dodge Charger bearing New Jersey registration T96JXE.
I know you can read
also
fast.
has the VIN number on it.
Alright, now let's hurry up. I got class. I missed one, my nigga. Let's get it. Hey, got me on some bull. Yo, y'all so funny, bro.
I'll stay with him while you guys search.
I put Mike instead of Thomas.
Why y'all think people don't like the police? It's because it is. Y'all be pulling random niggas over for no reason.
Back out of here, away from our police cars. All the way.
Your officer just told me to move over a little bit. You're the only one being an asshole. What's the problem?
I'm not being an asshole.
I'm trying to make sure my brother is okay, and he just told me to move over a little bit. You talking about moving away from the cars. I need to make sure my brother is okay.
Let's get something clear. I am going to ask you one time to go over into the grass and stay in the grass. Don't come back over near my police cars. I'm not being an asshole. I'm asking you something. Okay. I don't need you here by our cars. Stay over in the grass. All the way in the grass. Tell them to get away from the cars. Ma'am, did they explain to you why we're here? Anybody talk to you?
One of the cops.
What did he say to you?
Someone said he had a gun.
Okay. So we got a report that he came out of one of the stores that you guys were up at, and he pointed a gun at the car. So
at a car? At someone else's car?
No, at your car. At the car that you were in. And you were in the car,
At
I'm
his own
assuming?
car?
Yeah. Did he point anything at you, even if it wasn't a gun? Is it something that they could have mistaken to be a gun?
No, because when he walked into we went to the glasses to get his glasses.
Yeah.
He walked in, got his glasses, he put them on. And
Were you in the car still?
yeah.
When he was out, were you up in the fire zone
I was
somewhere?
in the front seat. They probably thought it was his glasses. I don't know. He didn't.
All right. But did he show them to you? Did he? I'm trying to find out.
He showed, like, he
maybe
had them
this
on.
guy who called and said this, maybe he's making a mistake, and that could be.
Yeah,
But the guy told us that he pointed something at you, so I'm asking you,
No, he didn't point anything
did he
at me.
point anything at
No.
you jokingly? Did he show you his glasses? Maybe the guy mistook that for. No, there's no explanation why that guy would say that he did that.
I'm not sure.
Okay.
I don't know. I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't really paying attention. Like when he walked out the store, he was just walking. That's my
fine.
That's close friend.
That's why you guys are stopped. That's why you're being detained right now. That's the only reason. All right, because that's the report that we got. So that's why you're being detained. You're not under arrest at this point. All right. They're gonna check the car, but that's the report that we got. So that's why you guys are being detained this way. All right. Just so you know.